Hey gearheads and car enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of car diagnostics with the ANCEL FD700, a full system OBD2 scanner specifically designed for Ford, Lincoln, and Mercury vehicles. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a weekend warrior tackling DIY projects, this scanner can become your trusted companion in keeping your Ford running smoothly. Unlike basic OBD2 scanners, the FD700 goes beyond just reading engine codes. It transforms into a comprehensive diagnostic tool, offering deep dives into various vehicle systems, including Ford-specific powerhouse. Unlike generic scanners, the FD700 unlocks a wider range of diagnostic and service functions tailored specifically for Ford, Lincoln, and Mercury vehicles. Intuitive user experience, the large color display and user-friendly menus make navigating the scanner a breeze, even for beginners. Always up to date, ANCEL provides lifetime free software updates, ensuring your scanner stays compatible with the latest vehicle models and features. Now, let's put the FD700 to the test. Reading and clearing DTCs show viewers how to identify and clear trouble codes, explaining their potential causes and recommended actions. Monitoring live data streams demonstrate how to view real-time sensor data, such as engine RPM, coolant temperature, and oxygen sensor readings to diagnose issues. Performing specific service functions, choose a service function relevant to your audience, like oil reset or TPMs relearn, and walk them through the step-by-step process using the scanner. Important note: always refer to your vehicle's service manual before performing any service procedures using the scanner. Certain functionalities may require additional tools or professional expertise for proper execution. ANCEL FD700 Pros and Cons. Pros: Ford-specific functionalities for in-depth diagnostics. User-friendly interface. Free lifetime updates. Cost-effective solution. Cons: limited to Ford, Lincoln, and Mercury vehicles. Certain service procedures may require additional tools or expertise. Overall, the ANCEL FD700 is a powerful and versatile diagnostic tool specifically designed for Ford, Lincoln, and Mercury vehicles. If you're looking for a way to diagnose problems, perform basic repairs, gain deeper insights into your vehicle's health, and potentially save money on maintenance costs, the FD700. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments which OBD2 scanner you prefer or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.